Well, what shocked me the most is that in time of urgency, there is no time really to be going to custom and do all that, because you have people that left their country, right, and left their jobs, their family, whatever, just rushing in to come to your
Very good
rescue.
point.
So
Very good
therefore,
point.
do you think it's the time now to be going to custom and no, you know what I mean? It's just like you can't even provide. If what about if you can't provide, the help yourself because you're not self-sufficient, but yet you are preventing others from coming to your rescue.
You very, very good point. And with Mac, our government has always been corrupted. It's been known. It's not new.
Okay.
It's not new, but it's just sad. The whole situation is sad.
Yeah, but then again, there are other Haitians that I've talked to abroad, like in the diaspora community. They are embarrassed by this kind of way that the Haitian government, the way they're acting and the way they are making all Haitians, look like.
Absolutely, absolutely. Such a negative way. It's like we're saying we're in need, but thanks for your help, but no thanks. So you cannot turn down help. It's another word,
Yes.
turning down help. You have people, just like you said, you have people all over the world giving money into making donations into these organizations. So it's just to know this is a matter of urgency that we are in the need. But for the help to get there and not being able to get through because of
Political
exactly
politics and
so
stuff.
again it just all tied into our the government.
Wow.
The government.
Next question I have, Betty. If for so many years, right, many or different administration have failed to honestly deliver in terms of providing changes in Haiti, what insurance do we have now that this present administration will constructively use all the money that have been raised by the international committee or for the reconstruction of Haiti?
Anything that has to do with funds, raising funds, it's always been a sensitive subject in our community, in Haiti, because we do know it's always been, I mean, this is not new with Mac. I don't want to say it's constant. Haiti always getting help from other nations. There's always some type of funds going into Haiti, but nothing has ever been done. There's never been a type of documentation report presented as to, okay, this is what that particular fund has gone into. So
If
there
they want
is
to
no
track,
if they want to track
all the
down
expenses.
exactly. So this has never been brought up to the table. So we are all concerned. I know I'm one of the many who are concerned, and who are just fearful that if any of these fundings get into Haiti in the government's hands, it will not be put to good or constructive use.
Yeah. It is sad.
It is sad for me to even think. I'm not proud to sit there and say that. I'm just, I'm not being pessimistic, but part of me want to hope that maybe people will have a change of heart, because we've never had anything of that magnitude hit Haiti.
Yes.
And to have that type of effect or impact on, you have thousands, millions of people out in the street, millions injured, millions have, lost, thousands have lost their lives. So it's a different situation. So I'm just hoping that at least people still find it in their heart to want to do what is right for these people, what is right for Haiti.
And the funny thing is, on an individual basis, when I talk to people that are non-Haitian, and they have a chance to have a friend or friends who are Haitian, and they on a more closer look, they have a chance to see how the Haitian people are, the culture, and they tend to admire our culture.
We have a beautiful culture.
But the our government is not representing us, in a more positive way. In order for other people who didn't know much about Haiti to be more receptive, when it comes to our culture,
Right. Well, I mean, I want to just want to clarify this. I'm not here to badge the government in any way. It's just a citizen, a frustrated citizen, just voicing out her, expressing out her frustrations.
Well, it is true.
Let's put it that way.
And that's what I did say. A lot of us have been frustrated by the way things are being managed in Haiti.
Well,
and
this is why, I mean, it is a consolation to know that there are organizations like the Clinton organizations, and I know the funds that President Obama has offered to give to Haiti, that they make, I mean, it is said that, okay, that money is not gonna go into nobody's hands. They will determine what it's gonna be used for. And trust me, I feel very, very, very good about this.
Yeah, but it seems like I've learned that a lot of people within the administration, they're not too happy with the idea that if money is coming to the country, it has to pass through them.
Well, they can't possibly be happy because they will not have that 80% or perhaps 90% put into their pockets and not towards what needs to be done.
Yeah, all right, my next question is like, do you think it's necessary for Haitians to create new organizations in order to help Haiti after the January's quake? Or do you think everyone should just give their monetary contribution to pre-existing organizations?
There are a lot of organizations out there. There have been many ones pre-existed, like Haitian organizations. Let's put aside Partners in Health. Let's put aside Feed the Children, World Food. I forgot the other name of the organizations. Let's put aside Red Cross. There are other good Haitian organizations, credible one. There's Yele Haiti. I think we should just channel through these organizations, donate through them so they can do the work. Because the amount of time you have to put into studying an organizations and trying to go out there and make yourself be known, to go out there and try to raise money when people don't know about you, they're not really gonna want to give. It just create total chaos. I don't see the necessity for it. However, Haitian organizations that have already been founded, that are kind of scattered throughout Haiti. Mm-hmm. Like there are some organizations, for instance, that are in Fond-de-Blanc. Maybe Okai has their own organizations. Maybe they should just go through these existing ones, donate through them so they can have the resource to kind of do the work that they have been trying to do throughout.
Yeah, I think it's acceptable. For instance, I've known people from Jacmel or Okai. They do regional funding in order to help their own city, and to me that makes sense because they don't per se create a non-profit organization. Right. They're just a group of people who decided they want to do fundraising so that they do it on a yearly basis. Mm-hmm. So that makes sense. And I would encourage more things like that as opposed to create a new organization just because a natural disaster had happened, because it showed that you have a different intention.
Absolutely.
And it does, it makes people very skeptical in giving you any monetary contribution.
Because people, we're not too sure what your real motive
Especially sometimes they don't even have a plan or an objective.
Right.
To me, it seems like
even the president said it. President Obama said it. He knows during this time, a lot of people are gonna try to have, take advantage of that situation. So it's us. I mean, who in the communities, people who are caring enough to want to give. Just make sure that you give to agency or organizations that are credible.